Today we're showing you a 2010 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. It's 55 horsepower. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Tractor has just over 250 hours on it. It's a very nice, very clean little tractor. Comes with a John Deere 553 quick attach front loader. It's got the 6-foot heavy-duty bucket on it. John Deere style carrier in the front here. Front grill guard. A little bit of a nick here in the hood, very minor. Paint's in nice shape in the tractor and loader. Tires are in nice shape. It's got the foldable rollover bar as well as the canopy top. Rear hydraulic plug-in back here, 540 PTO. Power steering on the tractor, suspension seat. It's got the 3 ranges over here to the left of the seat, 3 gears in reverse, which are synchronized over there to the right. Gives you a total of 9 forward and 3 reverse gears. 3-point hydraulic controls also to the right. Loader control right there within easy reach. To the left here you've got your 4-wheel drive engagement lever, PTO engagement lever. On the floor you've got your brakes, foot throttle, differential lock. Clutch pedal over here to the left. Nice clean low hour unit, and again this is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades as well as offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.